This is a quick review of the Antarctic Star 3-in-1 AC unit. This is a 10,000 BTU unit. It's rated for about 450 square feet. Being a 3-in-1 unit, it is going to have AC, dehumidifier, or just a fan. One of the great things about these units is that they're very portable. It's got 4 wheels, very easy to move around. It's also got handles on it. It's real easy to lift. And since this unit is portable, all I need to do is slide the ductwork off the back here, slide open the window, release my lock here, slide my gapper in, boom, this is done. I can now close the window and unplug the unit, and right on the back here, you wrap this around, and they even have a little guy here that you can put the plug in. And now I'm ready to roll this into the next bedroom, or if it's the end of the season, I just need to tuck this away in a closet, I can do it really easy. When it comes to features on the front panel, you've got your power button, you've got your selector to go through dehumidifier, the AC, or the fans. You've got fan speed, you've got a timer and a sleep mode. So you can set this unit to run on a timer for 1 hour up to 24 hours. And then same thing, you can put it in a sleep mode by the hour, have it go to sleep after 1 hour or 2 hours. So you got a lot of flexibility. You also get a digital remote that has all the features, and the batteries are included, a couple of AAA units. Installation, I think it took me about 20 minutes to install the unit. I needed a screwdriver and a saw in order to cut this unit down, simply because my window opening was too narrow in order to fit this in. And so it has flexibility. I'll put the specs up here as far as window size that it can accommodate. It's horizontal or vertical. So if you have a slider window, you just simply rotate this up and it will fit in the side. Everything that you need comes with the kit. You get the remote, the AC unit, you get the ducting work, and then of course the trim for the window itself. The one thing that I wish the kit did include was some sort of seal for the window, because it's plastic on plastic and you've got a little bit of a gap here just the way this is designed. So I'm going to run down to the box store and just get some door sealer. They make it with a double back tape. You just peel it off, stick it on here. That's going to help seal this up nice and tight and improve the efficiency of the unit. Noise-wise, I tested decibels. I'm gonna put those measurements up here for you for all the features with the fan on high and low. And then I also checked for power draw in watts, and I'll put those features up here for you also. This is a great, easy to use portable unit. It even comes with a washable filter, just slides in and out on the back side. And if you're running this in dehumidifier mode, it will collect water in the unit, and it has an alarm that will go off to let you know that it needs to be drained. Or if you'd like, it also comes with a hose, and then you can actually run this hose outside into a bucket. At my old place, I actually had this up in the laundry room, and I was able to put it into where the washer machine kind of dumped its water. I was able to elevate this and put it up there, not this unit, but a different unit, and it worked out really nice. So if you're looking for something that's portable, that's compact, that's easy to move around, maybe you're a renter and you just got your own bedroom. For me, I'm using this in the basement. This has been really simple and convenient to have.